You are welcome to my website. My name is Ken from kendubiri.com. In this video, we'll be talking about introduction to affiliate marketing, the basic things that we need to know about affiliate marketing, the right mindset we need to have, what is needed for us to crush affiliate marketing, for us to make consistent income on a daily basis. It is good that we begin in the right way. That will give us the added incentive to keep working hard in affiliate marketing. We are still going to talk about the different platforms we'll be using in our affiliate marketing. The best way we can start, even if you don't have a dime, you don't have $1, what is the best and fastest way I can start affiliate marketing? Later on in this series video, I'm going to introduce you to a software that we're going to use. Nonetheless, this series is all about email marketing, affiliate marketing, and advertising, how we can begin in the right way. Affiliate marketing in nutshell is a business, and it is not a get-rich scheme. It is where you promote other people's products. You go to marketplaces, you choose a product, you promote product, and then you make commission. Commission sometimes could be 100%, 75%, and 50%, as the case may be, which is nice. You don't have the product, it's another person's product. What you do is to promote it and you make commission. Yes. So if you follow the steps that will be outlining in this video, it will help you to start in the best way. Again, we're still going to talk about mindset. So many persons ask me, how much will I make in affiliate marketing? What is the best way to start affiliate marketing? How long will it take me in affiliate marketing? The truth is, it depends on you. It is not ethical for me to promise you money. But one thing is, the more effort you put, the more money you make. If you put effort, you are consistent with it, you make more money. You could make $100 in a month, $500, $1,000, $1,500. You could make $10,000, depending on the effort you put in affiliate marketing. So when you are consistent, you are dedicated, see it as a job. Yes, do it as a job. Just like when you wake up every morning to your 9-to-5 job. You go to office, you work for your boss. Your boss will pay you $8, $10, $12 an hour, as the case may be. And you go there from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You work diligently to take care of yourself and your family. So when you take affiliate marketing to be a business or your job, it will help you to crush it. That will give you an added incentive for you to be diligent, and you will make more money in affiliate marketing than you think. So this is going to be a series video. So in this series video, we're going to learn different ways, some hacks and tricks that we can employ to ensure that we'll make sales as we continue in our affiliate marketing journey. So this is just an introductory part of it. So we are going to talk in our next video, we are going to talk about the tools and software that we need to kickstart affiliate marketing. My name is Ken from kendubiri.com. Thanks for watching my video.